everyone, welcome to my kitchen made with love. It's yummy and tasty more than grow. If you enjoy our videos, like, comment, share and subscribe.
Thank you, Advait. Hello everyone. Let's get started. Take 1 cup of moong dal and 3 tablespoons of chana dal. Roast them till it becomes hot and aromatic. Then grind it finely. Take a half cup this prepared flour. Take 1.5 cup of rice flour. I am referring to standard cup measurements where 1 cup is 250 milliliters. Also take 1 tablespoon butter, 2 teaspoons of white sesame seeds and a half teaspoon hing powder mixed in water. Add rice and prepared dal flour. Add the sesame seeds. Add salt as required. Add 1 tablespoon of butter. Mix well till butter gets absorbed in flour. Instead of butter, you can add ghee or hot oil as well. Also, rice flour should be nice and fine. Now, add hing liquid. Start adding water. I am adding 3/4 cup of water. Water quantity will vary based on rice type. Mix well. At this stage, you can check for salt and add if required. Consistency should be similar to roti dough as shown. If you are making in large quantity, consider preparing dough in batches as dough should not get setting time. I use this type of murukku maker. Use the medium-sized star hole plate as shown. Apply oil in the murukku maker as shown. Also on the ladle. While preparing the dough, preheat the oil simultaneously. Oil should be hot. Check the oil by adding small portion of batter. It will rise up. Fill the murukku maker with batter. Prepare murukku on the ladle and add the oil. You can make murukku directly on the oil as well. Fry in medium flame. Sizzling sound should reduce. It's fried now. Advait, do you want to eat now?
Wow, it's fantastic! Hello everyone, I hope you all enjoyed this video today, Uma's Kitchen video, and please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up.